first thing I did was to section my hair off in two. I didn't bother to have any twists in the center of my head. I just wanted to have all the twists going up in one. So I am parting my hair into two, as you can see. I'm using a rat tail comb because it is easier for me to get the parts straight when I use a rat tail comb. So I put away the front section, and now we are going to be working on the back. In order for it to be as simple as possible, I decided to part the back into two sections. That way I'm able to manage the work and I'm able to do it as efficiently as I can. Now my hair is already washed, conditioned, deep conditioned, and ready for styling, so I didn't bother to show you guys that process, but ensure that you start with freshly washed and conditioned hair so that the style will last longer and it will be neater and smoother because your hair is clean. I am parting the back using that rat tail comb. I didn't use the two mirror method. It's easier to get a crispy straight part when you use a rat tail comb. So I'm using the African Pride braid lock and twist gel to kind of slit down the edges when I am doing the flat twists going up. It's very important that you use something to slit down the flyaway hair so that your hair can come out really neat. So it has a edge control type of consistency, so ensure that you use something thick and not water based so that your hair does not revert. My hair is partially stretched. I stretched overnight by putting plaits in my hair. I didn't blow dry my hair this time around. I can't tell when last I put a blow dry in my hair, or heat for that matter, into my hair. After doing 3 flat twists, this is what it's looking like. See, I told you all you need to get really crispy parts is a rat tail comb. So I went ahead and did this quarter of my hair, and this is what we're looking like. I'm very pleased with how it is looking, so I'm going to be moving on to the back. I went ahead and did the back section, and this is what it's looking like, and I am pleased and impressed with how it is looking. I think that the smaller you do them around the back, the easier it will be to part the hair straight, if you know what I mean. Because they were done so small, it's easier to give the illusion that the parts were straight. So now we are moving to the front. We are going to be working on this quarter. I am just parting the hair as I did in the back, and I am going to be using the braid lock and twist gel around the edges so that the flat twist is neat, and then I'm just doing the flat twist going up and then twisting the ends. Now this style will make your arm hurt if you're not used to it. I haven't done this style in a very long time, so my hand wasn't really used to it. My hand was getting tired a lot. Anybody can do this style as long as you have patience and as long as you take your time and do your hair. Remember, when you are rushing your hair, you have the potential to snag your hair and break your hair, and we don't really want that. It's 2021 and we want our hair to grow and flourish this year. So take your time when you're doing these styles. Now I finished this side of my hair. I feel like this is the best side that I have done. The other side I don't think is as good as this side. I think this side was really professional, looks really professional, and I'm very pleased with it. Now I'm just showing you how I did some of the flat twists at the front, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I did the ponytail. So my hair is completed, and this is what it's looking like. I'm going to proceed to do the ponytail now. I am just taking up all the hair and putting it into a small, very tiny bun. I'm going to be using this wrap to create the twisted ponytail, and this is what it looks like. It's from the brand Bijou, and it comes with 3 combs for you to attach in your hair, and a flap that has hair for you to wrap the hair over the ponytail to give the illusion that it's growing from your scalp. I would recommend this ponytail because I believe it is, well, it was way too small for me. If you have less hair than me, you could get away with this ponytail, but it didn't cover up my bun in any way, shape or form, and after a while my hair underneath started to show. So when looking for a ponytail next, I'm gonna see if I can find like a drawstring ponytail so that it can cover my natural hair well. But these are the end results. I really liked the way how it turned out. This style lasted me for 2 weeks, and yeah, I really like the way how everything came about. And you can also wear this hair in like a little bun. Let me show you. I just twisted the braids or the twists around each other, and you can wear it in. So anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know if you have tried this hairstyle already. As always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.